Whether you are in your 20s or 60s, an office worker or an athlete, your feet get strained every day.
The most common cause for heel pain is plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is inflammation of the ligament on the bottom of the foot. In the United States alone, more than 3 million people each year will be diagnosed with plantar fasciitis. A whopping 80% of women have foot problems, with plantar fasciitis being one of the most common causes of their pain.
We want to change that. So, meet High Healer, your personal foot therapist. It's the most versatile foot care device on the market. You can use High Healer anywhere you want to relieve the pain in your foot.
Most people that are suffering from foot pain have plantar fasciitis. The High Healer is interesting in that it now allows us to strengthen the intrinsic muscles of the foot, which we were unable to do before.
I'm Dr. Stephen Bowie. I'm a surgeon podiatrist. I have been practicing for more than 15 years. I'm the inventor of the High Healer. The High Healer is for anyone who suffers from foot pain, heel pain, for example, athletes like runners, for people that their weight create a lot of stress on their feet, people that are on their feet a lot during the day.
I'm a runner and I definitely think this High Healer is for me.
I don't work out. I love high heels and my feet are flat. And it makes me feel better. It makes me feel like my feet aren't consistently suffering. I love it. It's perfect for me.
This is good, man. It's good. It's not for a specific people. This is for everyone. Even if you don't go, even if you don't run, you don't go to gym, sometimes you walk from one place to another, it's always nice to get those legs stretched. And this is something very good. You don't need to go for massage.
High Healer is the first of its kind. Never had anything in the industry that can do all the modalities at home.
There are 4 main functions of the High Healer. First is the cooling effect of the roller, which helps the inflammation of the plantar fascia.
It has a rounded edge on one side and a sharp edge on the other. The rounded edge is used for the acute inflammation where you can't put down as much pressure on the ligament when you're pressing. And the other side is the sharper one for the chronic inflammation, which you could push down a little bit harder. It has the benefit of adding both heat and cold, so that if you have an acute case of plantar fasciitis, you could use the ice. If it's a chronic, you could use the heat, allow the ligament to stretch out.
The second feature is stretching, massaging of the plantar fascia. Third function is to activate the intrinsic muscle within the foot to help stabilize the foot and strengthen the foot.
Stepping along, activating the small muscles to actually fire. And when these things fire and stretch and pull, it strengthens the bottom of the foot. Thereby, the ligament that's being destroyed, which is called the plantar fascia, doesn't have to work so hard, so the muscles will help induce strengthening.
And the last function is to help loosen up the Achilles tendons.
The stretching will stretch 2 types of muscles, bottom of the leg and then a little bit higher behind the knee.
Normally, it would take you 35 minutes or so, work through all the exercise that need to be done, but using the device, you can cut that time down to about 10 to 15 minutes.
Our first Kickstarter campaign with High Healer was a great success. Our campaign was funded by 200% with the help of 1,700 amazing backers. All the backers received their products within 3 months the campaign ended. Together with our manufacturer, we have already designed the tooling and created the production plan for High Healer. Now we need your support to bring this project to life.
Hi, I'm Spencer, and this is my back pain. Sitting at the computer all day really takes its toll on my back. Yeah. No, I'm good. It's super annoying. I just wish there was a way to relieve the pain.
Whoa, hey! There is a way you can fix your back pain. The Plexus Wheel Plus.
It's a simple wheel that can fix your back.
The Plexus Wheel Plus is our brand new patented wheel designed to give you a 4-way spinal stretch. So you want to give the Plexus Wheel Plus a spin?
Wow. That feels great. I haven't felt this good in years. I'd say it's 10 out of 10.
Exactly! That's the point.
Jeez.
Wow, my back pain is gone. What a neat product.
If you cool coworkers are like me, you've tried using other tools. Exercise balls, foam rollers. Problem with those tools is they aren't designed to fit between your shoulder blades, unlike the Plexus Wheel Plus, which fits easily, allowing for an upper neck to lower back stretch. At Plexus Wheel, we are serious about spines. Our over 50,000 customers have been rolling out their stress on the original Plexus Wheel for over a year now. During that time, we listened to their feedback. And the Plexus Wheel Plus has all the goodness of the original, but with added upgrades. Why am I sitting shirtless next to this grand fireplace on this faux bearskin rug? I don't know, but I'm excited to see what happens next. This is Sarah. We think she's gonna help you focus while I talk about the grotesque problems facing our all-American backs. You see, 20% of jobs in America are manual labor, and all that manual action can put a lot of stress on your back. But see, the real reason that our backs are hurting is the nearly 80% of American jobs that require mostly sitting at our office chairs. We sit all day at work, causing our backs to slowly contract into this position. All this lack of activity can cause compressed nerves, sore muscles, and sciatica. Yep, your back feels gross. For the Plexus Wheel Plus, we engineered our thickest ever, super comfy compression mat. The mat design features a spinal canal, so it's more comfortable on your back. And because your spine presses deeper into the mat, the muscles lining your vertebrae are stretched horizontally as well as vertically, allowing for an insanely relaxing four-way stretch. It's easy enough for everyone to use. Preggers, big boy, even grand. The Plexus Wheel Plus comes in 3 sizes: gentle, medium,
and deep tissue.
Hey, feel like you don't need all that plus? Well, the original might suit you just fine. And our happy back guarantee means if you don't like it, send the dang thing back for a full refund. So, if you have a back, the Plexus Wheel Plus is for you. Get yours today.
So, do you guys want to go to my house and watch some MASH?
No.
We're good.
Hi, my name is Julian, creator of the U-Ball. So what's the U-Ball, you may ask? What could it do for you? The U-Ball is a mobility tool designed to get deep into the muscles of those people with muscles. Those building, stretching, and using their muscles. After many years of training and playing sports, I developed some really gnarly knots, some deep tissue pains and strains. And if you lift and play sports, you probably deal with the same type of things. For me, the only solution was to see my massage therapist or PT, as they were the only ones that can relieve my pain, especially when they would use their elbows. I looked all over for the same type of tools that could deliver that same type of feeling from the human elbow, but I couldn't find it. So I had to create my own tool, and that's the U-Ball.
The U-Ball can scrape away scar tissue, similar to steel tools, but is a much more affordable option. Its hard structure digs deep into nuts to help reduce pain and improve mobility. And what happens when you have a deep nut? That's when the unique shape of the U-Ball stands apart from other mobility tools. The U-Ball can attach quickly to a barbell and leverage the weight of the bar to really apply some serious pressure.
Unlike other tools that roll around, the U-Ball provides acute deep pressure one spot at a time to help alleviate deep aches and strains. The U-Ball gives a deep massage in various body parts to relieve tension and knots and to improve your mobility. Every aspect of the U-Ball has a purpose and benefit. The edges and corners scrape away bound fascia that's holding you back from proper movement and causing pain. The U is used not only to attach to a barbell, but acts as a stable platform to keep the U-Ball in place. The U-Ball is made out of a hard, lightweight plastic that fits in any gym or competition bag and is so easy to travel with. So that's the U-Ball, an extremely versatile mobility tool made to improve your mobility and ultimately your performance. We finished the prototyping and we're ready to manufacture, but we need your help to get you your U-Ball. And that's why we're doing this Kickstarter campaign. We want to reduce the cost of each U-Ball and pass those savings on to you, our customer, but also to manufacture it right here in the United States of America. Thanks for watching this video. Please support us by clicking the Back This Project button. Thank you.
Sitting. We do it for over 9 hours every single day. And because of the way we're doing it, 90% of us will get back pain in our lives. Seriously, when we hunch and slump, it affects our mood, our happiness, even how optimistic we feel. Look at yourself right now. How are you sitting? How's your back? And your neck? Probably not too great, huh? Hi, my name is Catherine, and I started working on my posture 2.5 years ago when I started having terrible sciatica pain. I have spent so much time and money on doctor's visits, therapies, special pillows, and all these ridiculous products, but I couldn't find anything that just worked. So for the past year, I've been creating a real solution with the most amazing designers and prototypers and dozens of people with really bad backs. It was important to create something small enough I could fit in my purse and something effortless so I could just count on it working in 5 seconds flat. Something reliable and something that would help me improve my posture even when I wasn't wearing it. This is Better Back. It allows you to effortlessly sit in perfect posture, easing back pain and training yourself how to sit. Use it when you're sitting at your desk, on an airplane, watching a game, or even when you meditate. Basically, use it anytime you have to sit. You don't have to go far to find people with bad posture or back pain. A friend, a parent, someone you work with, or even people you meet product testing around San Francisco every Friday. Here's what people think about Better Back. So let's have them elaborate.
It feels awesome. It feels awesome. It's so easy to just sit up straight. This could sound weird, but I can like feel my body. You know, I can feel my organs not being squished.
I can feel that it's right here, but it's not like, oh, I have all this on me. It's just like I am just like relieved, pain-free.
I'm sitting straight upright. It's like it forces your torso to stay upright. Where can I get one of these? Can I have this one?
Simple, it's easy. I put it on and I feel immediate relief.
So that's how it feels, and this is how it's actually helping.
Better Back gives you better posture. It allows you to not fatigue the muscles that you use when you're sitting down. So when you do stand up, your posture is literally changed. Good posture can change who you are. It affects your attitude, it affects your decision making. Good posture changes who you are literally.
Sitting correctly over time does more than stop slumping stress on your spine. It also retrains your body's natural default posture, so whether you're standing or sitting without Better Back, your posture is greatly improved. Let me show you how it works. Better Back zips itself into a portable case. Throw it in your bag and unpack it when you're ready to sit. Wrap the back pad around your back and the knee straps around your knees. All there's left to do is to pull on the adjustable leg straps to stack your spine into perfect posture. So if you're going to spend 9 hours of your day sitting, you might as well be doing it right. When you're pain-free and your body is perfectly aligned, you feel happier, more confident, and you regain your ability to focus on whatever it is you want out of life.
Meet my friends. They are in urgent need of stress and tension relief. They now suffer from irreversible stiff neck and painful muscle knots. You know those lumpy, bumpy sore spots that you just cannot release, causing bad posture, chronic pain, headaches, and migraines. Sound familiar? We can help. Rest on C-Rest. Release stress and tension in just 10 minutes. Even stubborn muscle knots in the neck will release. Let's take a deep breath. While stimulating muscles and myofascia, C-Rest has been proven to significantly improve circulation to the head and the biomechanics of any tight muscles. Why tolerate bad neck posture any longer? Its ergonomic support will naturally release trigger points to have you feeling revitalized instantly. This is how it works. Simply tilt your head up and down as if you were nodding, or move it from side to side to reach all muscles. When you find the spot, just take a deep breath there. It's the most relaxing sensation you could ever hope for. Launched in 2016, C-Rest has been known to help hundreds and thousands of people like you. We've got tons of good reviews along the way, but also got a few bad ones, which helped us improve our initial product, C-Rest, to relieve tension effortlessly. By stimulating the base of the skull and the sub-occipital muscle groups, all tension in your head will be relieved while preventing headaches and migraines. Ergonomically designed for everyone, with the help of the body weight, the grooves and knobs of C-Rest perform effortlessly without any tech or battery. Yes, that's right. No more of those teeth-grinding, painful massages that come with huge bills. We understand that neck pain can occur anywhere and at any time. C-Rest, being a lightweight portable neck massager, you can become your own therapist and treat stiffness and pain as soon as it hits you. Good posture helps your mood, happiness, confidence, and overall health. Get all 3 of C-Rests for every possible occasion and experience the relaxing touch of professionals anytime, anywhere. You'll love them, and that we can promise.